Good evening, friends. My name is Ishwar. Today topic will discuss here trigonometry. Okay, trigonometry. Okay. First of all, I will discuss 3 points here. Okay. Right angle triangle. First concept. Second concept, Pythagoras theorem. Next, trigonometric ratios. Okay. Third topic here, trigonometric ratios. Next, I will go to right angle triangle. I will draw right angle triangle here. This is right angle triangle. Here B C. Here B C. Here I will go to take angle B is right angle triangle 90 degrees. Next I will take C is the angle theta. Okay. Here I will discuss 3 points. First point here, theta opposite side. Theta opposite side we have to take opposite side. Opposite side. Next 90 degrees opposite side we have to take hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay. Next, theta adjacent side. Theta adjacent side we have to take adjacent side. Okay. Adjacent side. Okay. Theta opposite side we have to take opposite side. Next, 90 degrees opposite side we have to take hypotenuse. Theta adjacent side we have to take adjacent side. Next, I will go to Pythagoras theorem. This is the right angle completed. I will go to Pythagoras theorem. Here, I will apply Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle. Okay. First point here, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Here, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Okay, AB square opposite square plus adjacent square equal to hypotenuse square. I will write here opposite side square plus adjacent side whole square equal to hypotenuse whole square. Okay, this is the Pythagoras theorem. This is the Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle. Okay, next I will go to trigonometric ratios. I will apply here trigonometric ratio. How to find trigonometric ratio by using right angle triangle. Here, first point. Here I will go to trigonometric ratios directly. Sin theta. This is the first trigonometric ratio in trigonometric chapter. Okay, here I will take opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Here, opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Okay, here opposite side, here value AB divided by AC divided by AC. This is the hypotenuse. Next, cos theta. Cos theta. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Okay. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side value BC divided by AC. BC divided by AC. Next, I will go to tan theta. Tan theta. Okay. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. We have to take tan theta ratio. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. Here, opposite side value AB divided by AC. Okay. Next, I will go to cot theta. Cot theta. Here, cot theta. Adjacent side divided by opposite side. Adjacent side divided by opposite side. Adjacent side divided by opposite side. Okay. Adjacent side value here BC divided by opposite side here AB. Next, I will go to cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta here. Cosecant theta here. Hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Okay. Hypotenuse value AC. AC divided by AB. Okay. Next I will go to secant theta. Secant theta. Okay, I will go to secant theta. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Okay, hypotenuse here AC divided by BC. This is the 6 trigonometric ratios. Next, I will go to main concept in trigonometric ratios. Please listen carefully. This is very, very important point here. Sin theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is equal to sin theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is equal to sin theta. Okay, you can see, observe carefully here. 1 by sin theta is equal to cosecant theta. Okay, cosecant theta. You can see here, opposite side divided by hypotenuse. I will write reciprocal. This part is going numerator and opposite side coming in denominator. This is hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Okay, we can see, observe. This is opposite side. Here we can take hypotenuse side. Okay, please here sin theta value here 1 by sin theta AB by AC. But suppose AB divided by AC. This is the cosecant value, cosecant theta. Okay, AC going on numerator. AB is a denominator. AC divided by AB. Okay, understand? Cosecant theta. This is the value of AC divided by AB. Next, I will go to secant theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is equal to secant theta. Okay, here reciprocal of cos theta is equal to secant theta. Okay, reciprocal of cos theta 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. Next, I will go to cot theta. Reciprocal of tan theta is equal to cot theta. Reciprocal of tan theta is equal to cot theta. This is the three trigonometric ratios. Okay, I will go to one another point here. Tan theta is equal to, in terms of sin and cos. In terms of sin and cos, sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Here, observe carefully here. AC AC cancel. For suppose hypo cancel. Opposite divided by adjacent side. You have to take any value opposite side divided by adjacent side. Here AC AC cancel. AB by BC. Okay. This is the tan theta value. Tan theta value here. Sin theta divided by cos theta. Next, I will go to cot theta. Cot theta. Cot theta reciprocal of tan theta in terms of cos divided by sin. Cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, cos theta divided by sin theta. This reverse. Okay, this all are six trigonometric